Hey guys, it's Nanda from Nanda's Crafts. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to finish this Disney Princess wall decor slash shelf decor that I create using craft sticks. So this craft sticks is the small ones. So here I have 90 craft sticks going this way, and on the back I have 7 craft sticks going this way. And I paint all in blue on the back. And here in the front, I just paint this one, this other one, and on the sides, because I am going to glue this paper in here on the top, and I'm gonna use the tacky glue. So what I'm going to do next is apply the tacky glue all over the paper, and then I am going to glue in here. I forgot to tell you guys that I use the fabric tack glue to glue all the craft stickers in here. As for me, I love to use the fabric tack because it gives me time if I want to move it, the craft stick on the right place. So now I'm going to apply the tacky glue all over this paper. So on the parts that is not glue, just apply a little bit of glue and press down. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this skinny craft sticks, and I'm going to glue in here on the sides, and I'm going to make a frame with them. And I'm going to use the fabric tack to glue them in here. Just be sure to press pretty well until the glue is settled. This can take a little bit time. So there you go, I made a frame with the skinny sticks in here. And now I'm going to glue these clear gemstones all around. And I'm going to do this off camera. So I'll be right back when I'm done. Here is the final results of the craft stick Disney Princess wall decor slash shelf decor. It turned out so cute. The only problem here, I forgot to apply the pool acrylic wax protective finish on the paper, but I'm just gonna leave it as it is. So this is a great idea if you want to decorate your daughter's room with something like this using craft sticks and Disney papers and decorate the way that you want. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends and be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!